Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Science. So today I'm gonna unbox this Gionee gbuddy styled with GSW8 smartwatch. So as you can see, the box says this is the model styled with GSW8. It features Bluetooth calling and music, built-in microphone and speaker, internal storage up to 30 songs. Now what is the storage, whether it is in MB or GB, I don't know. You have to check it out. Some other specs is like, as you can see, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, track menstrual cycle, sports and activity tracking mode, auto monitoring of sleep quality, calorie meter and pedometer. Also some kind of waterproof IP68 resistance. This thing also supports remote camera. It will give you alerts of call, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook and email and gravity sensor. These things are there in other smartwatches also. Now let me tell you one thing. So let's have a look at the variants. This thing comes with leather strap and silicone strap, two variants, whichever is your choice. As you can see, the model number is GSW8. Screen size is 3.25, TFT 2.5D curved screen. Well, it is 2.5D curved screen, but let me tell you, this is not any kind of Corning Gorilla Glass. No, this is not any kind of Corning Gorilla Glass. And then standby time is 18 days. Use time is 7 days. Well, I doubt. I mean, I don't know exactly. I have to check this out after using. I will come to know. Battery capacity is 3000 mAh, but I don't know whether this is lithium ion or polymer. I guess it must be polymer. And then system requirements iOS 9.0 or above, or and in case of Android 4.4. Well, I've heard that there are some people who were telling that this, in the case of iOS version, this app is not working very perfectly, but in Android it's okay. As you can see, the cost is like 9,000 rupees inclusive of all taxes. It includes a smartwatch, charging dock, user manual and one warranty card. So let's check for some other details over here. So this device has a barcode, I mean a QR code, so that you could install the app, or you can directly install it from the Google Play store. So this is how it looks. So let me just unbox it quickly. So Gionee is a nice brand. There are other smartwatch brands also, like the ones which you want to check out, like Samsung or some other brands like Apple. They also making, but those ones are the Android ones, and this is not an Android one. This is normal. This is a smartwatch, but not running on Android operating system. Still, it has this internal storage capacity. This is something I guess great, which Gionee has done in its smartwatch, which is not available in other smartwatches at this price point. So let me open the tapes of the device, and as you can see, Gionee, thank you for purchasing our product. Huh. Okay, you're welcome, Gionee. Then let me open it. Oh, here is one more thing. Let me open it up again. The same thing. Let's keep this thing on, and then let's open it. So this is the device itself. As you can see, the Gionee watch. Here's a sticker of Gionee, and let me check this thing out. Let me keep the watch on the side as you have seen it. Then there's another box over here. Okay, let me keep this thing on side. After that, you get a small this thing, a kind of Gionee GSW user manual. But if you want, you could read this before using it. It would be benefit for you. Or if you know, you can just straight away start using the device itself, where it's written. See, anything you would like to know about this device. Then so this is the thing. It also supports, the main thing it supports is Bluetooth calling feature. Bluetooth calling feature is available in many smartwatches, but the main thing over here is the internal storage supports for up to 30 songs. That is something Gionee has done, but other companies smartwatches doesn't do this thing. Only I guess Gionee has done it. In other smartwatches, in case of Wear OS, you get internal storage, like up to 4 GB or 8 GB might be, in case of like Oppo watch or some Samsung watches. So this is the thing. Now let me keep this thing on side. Also, you get a Gionee warranty card, starts with GSW8. You can see the warranty terms and conditions. POP. Okay, now let's keep this thing on side. Yeah. So in the box, what we get is, let me open the box and show you. You get a charging cable. See, this is the thing. Oh, it's magnetic. See, it's a magnetic device. There's the charging pins 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are two magnets. And this is USB Type A cable, as you can see. The cable quality is, let me tell you, according to the price point, it's really good. It's really sturdy and it's really good. It's really nice. As you can see, it's a very lengthy cable. Yeah, the cable length is just okay according to the price point. Now let me keep this thing on side, and now I'm gonna show you some other things. Let me keep in the box. Now coming to the watch. Well, this is the Gionee GSW8 watch itself, as you can see. So the packaging work done by Gionee is really very nice. I could see, seriously, no doubt in that. So this is the Gionee watch itself. As you can see over here, this is the watch. The silicone strap material is really nice, and it gives you a premium look. The weight of the watch is also really nice. It makes you feel as if, yeah, it is a smartwatch. On the left side over here, you can see there are dual speakers, 1 and 2. And over here, you can see the charging pin, where you can charge the gbuddy, and there are some some sensors, HR, heart rate sensor, but this watch doesn't have SpO2 sensor or any such kind of things. And the other sensors. Now over here is a small microphone, and over here there's charging, and then you're changing, means your up and down things you can change from here. Now let me just peel this thing off. Here's the peel. Now see the watch, how it looks like. It's fantastic looking. Now let me turn this thing on. We check whether this thing has some battery in left or not. Well, this thing, I guess, yeah, has battery left. As you can see, the Gionee branding. Pairing register, please turn on the phone's Bluetooth connection. Okay. Slide up. Operational mode. Broadcasting. Okay. Audio GSW8. Mode. Okay, this is showing how to connect your watch to the Bluetooth. So I will do that thing later and then let you know. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and also hit the bell icon to get notified. So let me show you one more thing how this thing charges actually. See, so this is the device itself. This is the charging cable. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this thing right over here and see, it sticks. As I've told you, it's magnetic. Done. Thank you.